In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best wall ovens in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The LG LWS 3063 is the best convection wall oven on the market. With a width of 30 inches, it can fit right into any wall in your kitchen. The 4.7 cubic feet of space within the oven makes it possible for you to fit lots of baking goods and roasts within its contents. With the power capability of 2,500 watts, the LG LWS 3063 has enough power to tackle anything you throw at it, or in it. Some of the features included in this oven are true convection, easy clean technology, and a brilliant blue interior. You also can revel in the convenience of the self-cleaning option. With the LG Easy Clean feature, you just have to wait 10 minutes before you have a completely clean appliance. Never again do you have to worry about polluting your kitchen with strong chemical fumes, or worry about the well-being of your home and family members with high heat. All you need to do is spray the oven interior with water, press Easy Clean, and then in 10 minutes, quickly wipe away any leftover grime. For premium interior and exterior design, but with the convenience and efficiency of an oven 3 times that price, the LG LWS 3063 is a great buy. Number 4. LG 30-inch combination double electric convection wall oven has everything you could want in a double oven and more. It's a convection oven with a built-in microwave-like feature, infrared heating, and Wi-Fi. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, this is ideal for anyone who wants all the bells and whistles. With a 1.7 cubic foot upper oven and a 4.7 cubic foot lower one, the infrared heating function means you can cook faster since neither oven needs to preheat. There's also a reservoir for steam cooking for when you need moisture in the oven, like for creme brulee cheesecake. The upper oven has turbo cook, which can cook food 2 to 4 times faster, which might replace your microwave. Besides Google Assistant and Alexa, the smart technology means monitoring your oven from the other room, plus 2 different cooking apps to help you figure out what to make for dinner. Finally, this comes in 2 colors, stainless steel and black stainless steel. Number 3. Wall oven and microwave combo by GE blends efficiency and convenience into a single, multifunctional appliance. The oven features a bake element that ensures even baking, and a broil element for even browning. Hate washing dirty oven racks? The steam clean option will take care of light messes. The microwave, on the other hand, will make heating your favorite foods easier with a built-in sensor that adjusts cooking times and power levels. Simply put a plate of leftovers or bag of frozen veggies into the unit, and let it work its magic. An added perk, if you're swapping out an old unit, GE's Fit Guarantee ensures a perfect fit in an existing cutout and up to $300 in reimbursement for any needed modifications. Number 2. The Frigidaire FFEW 2726 TS is next on our list, and it's the perfect choice for your kitchen if you're looking to upgrade your equipment. It features a highly spacious 3.8 Cu.ft capacity, making it more than enough for all kinds of dishes. The wall oven is also really easy to install, and has an attractive look for any modern kitchen. Offering great value for your money, the Frigidaire is fitted with cutting-edge baking technology and watery broil temperature control. It's an ideal choice for those who want to bake and broil in one oven. You can easily get the hang of operating this oven with the easy touchscreen interface. It doesn't take up much space in your kitchen, regardless of its decent capacity. Number 1. If you prefer to cook with gas, opt for the Frigidaire 24-inch single gas wall oven. This oven is well designed with 5 different levels for the 2 included racks. The boiler has both high and low heat options for those who like to make broiled dishes, while bakers will like its even bake feature. Digital controls make it easy to choose the precise temperature you want and can be wiped down should things get messy. Better yet, This oven self-cleans in just 2 hours. While this is a great appliance, it doesn't offer convection cooking or smart technology. You can choose from 3 finishes: stainless steel, white, and black. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.